Okay, so right up through here, I just played hole 1. There's an 18-hole disc golf course, and logging or something going on around here. Oh, the hole 2 basket is still up there though. Nice. So here's hole 2, and up around hole 3, 4, 5 area, there's another geocache that it appears gray. If you just start and you look at it and see grayness, I'll show you what's up with that and how to hack. For another video here, how to hack it if you don't want to pay for the premium, but find one of those ones that are gray instead of green. All right, so I'm going to show my screen recording now, and you're going to see I can't click on navigate for that one that's gray because it has a difficulty where it's rain higher than 2.0. But I can still use the GPS and my dot for where I am to get myself right on top of it and find it. And then the way to hack it is still get credit for it if you want it to be in your collection of finds. You go onto the website instead of the app, and it allows you to log it as a find in your account, which I'll show that as well here. But first, let's go find this puppy. I'm not sure if it's recording my voice, but if so, I see a big tree ahead that's kind of taking me toward. Okay, as I'm walking out here, as I was just using my little blue dot to navigate my general direction toward where the geocache is, that tree looked like prime real estate for the direction it's taking me. Unless it's like a sneaky one that I've never seen, then I actually would be pretty neatly surprised by. I doubt it's the case on the disc golf basket there. Doubtful, but let's see. All right, gonna switch back over to the phone, grab a recording and get myself closer on the app. Here we go. Guide me basically right to this tree here. What I like about this is I don't know the size or anything because the gray color of it, because it's you gotta pay for the premium account to be able to use this, find this thing on the app. Remember, if you're getting difficult time finding the thing, you can read the hints or read the activity for hints, which I don't like to do until I search first, so that's why it's kind of exciting for me. It's not, I don't even have the option to click on it unless I were to go onto the website right on my phone. You can do that to still log your find and read recent hint and activity without paying the extra money for that ability on the app, which in my opinion, if you're gonna get into the hobby, it's definitely worth doing. I've done it in the past and probably will again in the near future. But now let's find this thing. So I don't know for sure, but it's kind of got to be on this tree, I think. Nothing jumping out right away. I'm kind of looking at branches and stuff in case there's something dangling off. Oh, there we go. Right on the trunk of her. So I can still find this thing. I can still break the thing open and, sign in on the sheet. And now let me show show you on my phone how you can just go ahead and still log this thing in your account on the website. All right, here you can see the map looks identical to in the app. I'm on the website here, and I actually am able to click on this geocache here, and it is in fact called a random tree. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I can log that I found it, TFTC for thanks for the cache, and I can post it right in the website. Once I go back over to my app, it'll appear instead of a gray geocache as a yellow smiley face, baby. So as you can see there, this random tree, a random tree was the name of it, which also I couldn't access prior until I went on the website there. And one thing that's neat in geocaching too, if you don't already know or you're new and haven't quite caught on yet, is that the name of the cache often is a hint in itself. As you just saw me kind of unfold with the bit of experience I have, I'm at 165 now, I think. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned and stay tuned some more.